Good day, good day. It's your boy, better yet, your man, Markel Prines, Mr. RVA Delivered, and I'm back at it again, right here on my OLSP dashboard. Now, I'm on here to show you guys a couple of different things. First, I want to ask you, are you one of the 655 people who has earned a commission in the last 24 hours? If not, I want you guys to change that. I want you to click the link in the bio or comment ready for an exclusive link that'll give you some exclusive tools that'll allow you to be more successful within this opportunity. But besides that right there, I want to share with you guys something that I see every single day. I touched on it yesterday or in the previous video. I talked about the fact that a lot of people are having issues in their affiliate marketing businesses. No matter what company you join, no matter what product or service you're promoting, more than likely you are going to run into this same issue. The issue of getting stuck, not knowing what to do, not knowing how to earn your next commission or even your first commission. The reason why we're looking at this particular section of the dashboard, if you're part of the OLSP system, it's because of this. We have so many trainings within the system. I know it can be confusing. A lot of people may not know where to actually start. But what I want to tell you guys to do is start right from step one. Watching step one's video. Step one, then step two, then step three. Follow the proper steps so that you can go through the system and learn exactly what it is that you need to learn. But here's the secret, because I know that most of you guys are probably going through steps 1, 2, and 3, and then you're scrolling down and you're going through all the other trainings, right? You're watching everything, and then you're posting in a private group. I've watched the training. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm still not understanding how this thing works. And what's the one response that everybody gives you in the chat? They'll say, go watch the trainings. Now, I know that can be frustrating to a lot of you. A lot of you have watched the trainings and you're still like, why would I go back to the training if it didn't help me the first time? This is one of the biggest keys to success in affiliate marketing. You have to be able to identify and see what's actually there in front of you that's being taught. I want to tell you guys this. A good, let's say 50% of the secret is in step one's video. And step one's video is only 1 minute and 48 seconds long. Now, that's not a long video at all, but it actually is going to teach you a lot of things that you need to know and need to understand so that you can actually build your business. I want you guys to join this system. Watch step one first, go through the system. And I want to tell you this, if you watch step one's video, there should be a minimum of 9 skills alone that you should have learned from watching this one short video. 1 minute and 48 seconds long will actually teach you a minimum of 9 different valuable skills. Now, if you're interested in possibly, learning the skills that I learned or what I got from this actual video, comment ready. I'll not only send you access, once again, to an exclusive link that will give you exclusive tools to help you become more successful within your business, but I'll give you those 9 things that I actually learned that I believe are some of the biggest keys to success in your affiliate marketing business, no matter what product or service you're promoting. It's not just exclusive to this system here. It's universal skills that you can apply to whatever you're doing. I want to challenge you guys. Invest in yourself. Invest simple $7 into yourself to learn the necessary skills to build a real home business that you can scale. Having fun, doing it the way I like to do affiliate marketing. You know, affiliate marketing for people that like to have fun. Using it to create things, either make money from home if you choose to, or just, have fun. Whatever you choose to do with those skills. But on that note, I want to invite you guys to comment ready. I'll send you those details. And I hope to see you guys on the inside. When you woke up this morning, did you think you would be stepping outside to a world that looks like a jungle? We all have our success journeys, and wherever your success journey takes you, I want you to understand that it's one step at a time. As you ascend what we call Success Mountain, there will be challenges. In order to get to six figures, you first have to start off with one.